second building our lives. Nothing happens for a reason. There's no point even pretending. You know the sad truth, that's why